There's a new philosophy for customer relations that I'm really excited about. So why wait? Let's get started. Most of the world is looking at customer service the wrong way. Businesses are stuck in a one-dimensional approach, flat, shallow, ordinary, and they believe that it's good enough simply to sell products one transaction at a time. Two-dimensional performance is the same with a little courtesy added, but it's still transactional. Customer 3D companies go beyond seeing their customers only as the other end of a transaction. They have developed a clear, expansive definition of the future based on customer success and the freedom to deliver on that success. Picture the pinch to expand motion from your mobile phone or tablet applied inside your organization. When you make a better future possible for your customers, they will become amazingly committed to you. You will create a space in your client relationships that is full of possibilities and great expectations for what can happen, all because you framed your opportunities by thinking like a customer. 3D organizations are unique, like fingerprints. They know that the surest way to grow and sustain that growth is to be customer-centered. When the rules change regarding customer relations, you need a new approach. So what's your number? Will your organization continue its 1D thinking or transform itself into 3D?